How do I download and how do I channel? Have those been your questions? I know for many of us that has been our question, and maybe it's yours. So I want to jump on a call with you. I want to jump on a Zoom conversation with you and answer those questions. It's very possible that you're channeling right now, and it's just a matter of feeling into how it's coming through for you. But truly, we can expand that. I think most of us are channeling, and we just don't realize it. So, in a small group, we're going to have conversations around that. How can it look? I want to bring some aha moments to you because that will start your awareness, and awareness is where it all begins, and then you can grow from there. So click the link to say, hey, I want to be a part of that conversation. And we'll invite you in. We'll give you the information so you know when it's going to happen. Look forward to meeting you and having this conversation.
To create or improve your connection, your channel between you and Source Wisdom, click the link now before this offer expires.
My name is Janelle, and I look forward to meeting you.